Do you buy rust preventative packaging materials? Do you want to save some cheddar while you do it? Do you also want to save Mother Earth with a more sustainable option when it comes to poly purchasing? If you check all of those boxes, then hang tight because this is a rusted development. 2 guys, 2 minutes, talk about rust. Today we're going to be talking about how to prevent rust with VCI poly and how they might look the same on the surface, but VCI poly bags from one to the next are quite different. Hang tight, roll the intro. Now the story of rust, and the 2 guys who talked about it in 2 minutes. It's a rusted development. Welcome back. Thanks for sticking with us. Now, before we get started, we are gonna put 2 minutes on the clock because that is what we always do. 3, 2, 1. Now, what Kelvin has in front of him is a mono bag, mono meaning one layer. What I have in front of me is a co-ex bag, co meaning multiple. Mine is 3 layers thick, Kelvin's is only 1. Now, if Kelvin were to measure his 4 mil bag, it would measure at 4 mils. If I were to measure my 4 mil EQ bag, it would measure 25% light and 25% less than 4 is 3. But I call it an EQ because it is the equivalent. It will provide the equivalent protection of Kelvin's mono bag with my 3 mil or 4 mil EQ bag. That's why we call it the Defender, baby. It defends with all that it's got. All 3 layers working together yet independently to protect your metal parts. Now, because 25% of the raw resources used to create this poly bag are eliminated from production, it is a major win in terms of sustainability. In fact, when you scale that to a massive order quantity, one of our largest customers has saved 500,000 pounds of poly from ever being produced, used, thrown away, or recycled simply by switching from this boring mono 1-layer bag to this Defender bag. And that is why we want you to hop on our website and use our sustainability calculator. You can plug in the bag that you're currently using and boom, it's gonna tell you how many pounds of poly you can save based on your annual order quantity by switching to Defender. You're buying less, you're using less, but you're still protecting the same, all while saving more. How do we do it? It's with our Defender Co-Ex technology. Come in a little closer. Defender has 3 layers. The outside non-VCI layer. You don't need VCI where you don't have a metal part. Now the middle layer, we give the middle finger to oxygen and moisture trying to get into this bag with a higher density poly in the middle layer and the inside layer. That is where the secret sauce, the magic, the armor sprinkles are, VCI. You put that closest to the metal part, the only place you need it, and voila. This bag is going to protect just as well as that 4 mil bag, even though it's 25% source reduced. And on top of that, all Defender bags have a minimum of 30% recycled content. So hop on our website or shoot us an email at info@armorvci.com and we will walk you through the process. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Chris. I'm Kelvin. Have a great day, everybody. Stay around.